everybody. So we're going to practice something new with actually using kind of the webcam today, but I'm going to walk you through what our daily agenda is for the 28th, Thursday, January 28th. So today is odds reminder, the district writing assessment that's going to be due next week. We're going to be taking it on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So you're going to have 3 days to work on that DWA. So we are still continuing argumentative writing, and we're really just going to finish up on it. You guys are going to do an amazing job. We've got this. So first and foremost, we are working on Quill. You need that grammar practice. So we're going to get through Quill, and then you guys are going to start working on that writing portion. So we are finishing up the writing portion and our editing. Please keep in mind that argumentative essay, it was really due Wednesday. It's going to be due tonight. I'm extended till Thursday. You guys need that extra time. That being said, however, since it is due Thursday, I expect amazing jobs from all of you. All of you should be writing. All of you should be practicing. You should know the structure by now. And then we're going to be working on editing. So we are working. We should be on body paragraph 2 or 3. Okay. By now, let's not forget what counterclaims are. So I'm going to kind of step away from that. Counterclaims, that's the other side's arguments. Counterclaims are basically, I'm going to move myself on the side. Oops. Counterclaims are the other side's argument. They're what we are telling our readers. We know the other side exists, but this is why we're still right. So that's the big change to body paragraph 3. I might be pulling out a couple of you in some groups because we need to look at your papers and we need to talk about them. So some of you are really far ahead. Some of you are still starting your papers. We need to talk about where you are in between. Remember, writing is a process. We are all going through the process together. And then lastly, you guys should be working on your conclusions. I know quite a few of you, sorry to move this again, quite a few of you that are on your conclusions. Again, this is a restatement of your thesis. Don't just summarize it. Actually work with it. So that's what we're going to be doing. You guys have timers. You know how that works. And then the cheat sheet. For those of you that are done, we will be going over this cheat sheets, both of them. We're going to be going through, did you include every element? Do you have a counterclaim? Highlight your hook. Highlight your tag. Highlight your context. Highlight your thesis. I want to see that you guys spent time and effort and energy really thinking about these things. And then lastly, on a scale of 1 to 5, how do we feel? I'm going to have you guys just show me 5 fingers, 1 finger, 1 being not so good on your DWA, not so good on your writing skills, not so good on the essay, 5 being I've got this, I know what I'm doing for the DWA, TIPA, IPA, I've got this, I can master it. So that's what we will be doing tomorrow. As always, if you have questions or if you guys need help, refer to me, send me an email, CC Mrs. Arroyo, but I'll see you guys in class tomorrow. Have a good one.